Hey teachers, your students will love these interactive activities with the Math Wizard. Let's take a look at how these resources can be used in your classroom. As you can see on the screen, there are a bunch of different activities covering a wide range of topics, covering everything from addition, subtraction, place value, and much more. For this demo video, I'll be using the even and odd numbers activity to demonstrate how these resources work. These resources are made on Google Slides and are meant to be used as a class activity on your projector screen or your smartboard. These activities also come with an optional worksheet which you can give to students to help follow along with the activity. When you are ready to begin the activity, enter slideshow mode on Google Slides and present this slide you see here to your students. This is the introductory slide with the Math Wizard. You can read this to your students and tell them that the goal of this game is to find the magical red bags that you see on the screen. There is gold hidden inside each magical red bag. However, the only way that students can open these red bags is by solving the math problems and answering the questions correctly that they are about to see. Click the screen when you are ready to begin, and this will take you to the question wall. Here on the question wall, you will see 20 questions on the screen. You can choose any question you want, or if you wish, you can go in numerical order. If you do have a touchscreen in your classroom, you can actually make this more interesting by letting students come up to the board and click on the question they want to see. For this example, we'll start with question 1. When you click on question 1, the Math Wizard will reveal his first question. If you want, you can have students write the answer on paper or write it on the board. That's completely up to you. You can also use this verbally and have students say their answers out loud. When you are ready to reveal the answer, click on the screen and the correct answer will appear. If students don't answer correctly, you simply just click on the yellow arrow on the bottom of the screen and move on. If students are correct, click on the screen and the real fun begins. The wizard will reveal his magical red bags. Students must decide which bag to open. They can only choose one bag, and each bag has a different amount of gold inside of it. So for example, if students decided that they wanted to see what was inside the bag on the left, click on that bag, and the amount of gold will be revealed. In this example, they found 2 bars of gold. Students will be thrilled to earn as much gold as possible. If you wish, you can keep track of the amount of gold that they earn by writing it on the board. If you want, you can give students a target score to reach, or you can split them into teams and make it competitive. Those are just a few ideas. Feel free to add in your own creative ideas to this. When you are ready, click on the arrow on the bottom of the screen to move on, and from there you repeat the same process. Click on the next question and continue. Students will be so engaged in this activity, the visuals are fantastic, and students will love the adventure of trying to find gold while learning and practicing math. Bring the Math Wizard into your classroom today. You and your students will have a great time, and your class will improve their math skills along the way. I wish you and your students a fun and educational adventure.